take the glory from greats. Then I'ma bury the rest. Black in my lungs when I breathe.
Girl, you beat Natty last week. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy. Are you happy? I'm happy. I love it.
I'm very happy because I realized you either sit and wait for your opportunities or you go out and make one, and I did that. Because a dub is a dub in my book. Am I wrong?
I agree. I think so. And the right woman got her hand raised, so I'm very happy about it. Natty lost last week. Towel got thrown. Girl, I'm so happy.
I'm happy too, but I really wanted to just tell you, I know I haven't been the easiest in this locker room to deal with. So what you did last week, I appreciate you. You didn't have to do that.
Girl, I got you. If anyone understands how hard it is here, it's me. Growing up, it's difficult. It's vulnerable, and you know, sometimes you get a little lonely. It's hard.
And that's exactly how Natty made me feel. I felt like I was alone. I had nobody. But then you came around and you proved me wrong. So
Hey,
thank you.
I mean, you've been really nice to me recently, so I'm here.
Gotcha.
But I wanted to touch on something.
What's up?
Stone finally gave me the 5 minutes that I had been begging for, and he told me Natty is really pissed.
Well, good.
I mean, yeah, but he said that we are going to have a tag match against Nikita and Carmen next week.
Okay, well, say less. That's easy work. You and I got that. No problem.
Like, us?
Yeah.
Like, me and you together?
You and me. Hell yeah, girl. You have been the most trustworthy person in this locker room as far as I know. So I appreciate you for that. We got that. You have my back, I got yours.
Yay! Oh my goodness, this is so exciting.
We're hugging.